You ever watch a trend form right in front of you with a strong push, clean structure, and momentum, but your indicator takes 10 candles to catch up? So you hesitate. You wait for your moving average crossover or some other indicator, and by the time you get your signal, the move's already halfway done. Or worse, it's already reversing. That's the problem with most trend-following tools. They react to what has already happened. The MACD trail doesn't. This indicator doesn't just show you the trend. It gives you real-time trailing lines that move with price. It's built from the MACD, adjusted by volatility, and constantly updates where price is most likely to go, not based on past moves. No, it's based on the current candle. And in this video, I'll show you how it works and how you can trade with it. The MACD trail takes the regular MACD you already know, but instead of giving you those classic crossover signals, it turns that MACD value into a smooth line that follows price. And here's the cool part. It uses something called the average true range, or ATR, basically a tool that measures volatility to make sure the line doesn't hug price too tight or float too far away. So it's not just reacting to the move, it actually adjusts itself depending on how crazy the market is. When the trail is bullish, price is in an uptrend. When it's bearish, price is in a downtrend. But before you jump in, colors alone don't justify an entry. And if you blindly take buys at every bullish line or sells at every bearish line, you're gonna get wrecked. The MACD trail is great at spotting trend shifts, but like any indicator, it can throw early signals in sideways markets. So we need confirmation. So while the MACD trail shows you the trend shift, the SuperTrend tells you when momentum is ready to commit. Also, a quick note on the settings. We're on the 15-minute time frame, but this strategy works on all time frames. Go to the MACD trail settings and set your MACD length to 5. This length makes the trail more responsive to price movements early without getting faked out. Now, let's get into the trade setups. We'll start with a long trade. The MACD trail has been bearish for a while, so price is in a downtrend. Suddenly, it turns bullish. Now, that flip by itself is important. It tells you that MACD momentum has shifted upward, and the trail is now tracking bullish structure, but don't enter just yet. Wait for the SuperTrend signal, and now you've got confluence. The trail says we're bullish, and SuperTrend confirms the momentum. That's your entry. Your stop can go just below the recent swing low. Target a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, or trail your stop under the MACD trail as long as it stays bullish. Pretty simple, right? Now let's flip the situation. MACD trail is bullish. The trend looks strong, but then the trail flips to bearish. Don't take sells immediately. Wait for SuperTrend to turn bearish, confirming the bearish momentum. That's your signal. The trail tells you we're shifting from bullish to bearish, and the SuperTrend confirms it's not a fake out. You take a sell. Set your stop just above the last wick. Target at 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, or let it ride until the trail turns bullish again. And that's the power of this combo, because once you've seen how clean this setup plays out, you'll never look at your old MACD the same way. So if you're still waiting on your MACD crossover and hoping you won't miss the trend, stop it. You can start using the MACD trail indicator today. Just click the link in the description and add it to your favorites for easy access. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time.